that? Look, buddy. Look, say cheese. Cheese. A zoo? Cool. Yeah.
We'll just buy him inside.
What do you want to see? Are you going to ride?
Yeah.
All right, tickets?
Yeah.
All right, hold my hand. Here we go. Hello. What's the best seat?
The best seat will be the front.
All right, buddy, let's go up front. Yep, get in. Get in. Buddy, we got all wet. It's okay. We got soaked on the water ride. You alright, buddy? Say, I'm okay. Okay. We're okay. All done. We're okay. Look, buddy. Big turtle.
Oh, he look up. He's looking at you, Gary.
Big turtle.
Like, what are you doing?
This way. Whoa, cool. That's an eyelash viper right there. They're all in their things right here. Look, it's a viper. Yeah, venomous. Yeah, whoa. Whoa. Oh, he's back up there. Oh, it's right here. Dominic, look at this. Big venomous snake. Big one.
We just saw black.
Ooh. Look, big one.
There's a black one.
Big. Yeah, whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, rainbow boa. Where is it? Oh, it's up there. Up there.
Yeah.
Oh. Tropical rattlesnake?
Back there. It's all the way back there.
Oh, yeah, up on the rocks. Central American tree boa.
This one is pretty hard to see. You have to see him right there. Right there.
Back down in there?
Yep. It's there.
Move, I'm trying to get a video of this.
I think that's a... Dominic,
Whoa. Dominic, come look at this.
I saw that movie first. Mommy's over there. There's a moving snake. There's two of them? Mom, there's two snakes. Let's see the snake. That's not a cockroach.
right here, forest cockroach.
Oh. What's in this thing?
Tarantulas up there.
I saw it already. There's a little baby frog.
Poison dart frogs.
Right there, Gary. A little baby frog.
Ooh.
I don't see. There's more right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
And turtles and fish. That's the make it. Only up here I can see it. Keep going.
Anaconda.
He's thinking it's done now.
Did you drinking some water?
You talk to it like you're all nice, but would you stick your fingers in that cage?
Yeah, it's not venomous. It's a restrictor, like the one we have at home.
Why is it so big?
Whoa. Oh, wow.
I think it's right here. I know that's fake.
No, that's real. That's it. That looks so weird.
Oh yeah, that is breathing too.
Oh, that's
Crazy.
That's what it looks like underneath. Where is it?
Where is he?
He's right
He's right
there.
here.
He's
Endangered.
Are you an endangered puppy?
Yep. They live in the mountains.
Are you an endangered puppy?
Hi. Can you look up here, please? Like, I need a picture.
Females will give birth to a litter of between 6
Hello.
Anteater.
Dominic, big snake.
Mia, look. Do you see it? In the little thing. Dominic, wait. Bats, snakes, frogs, giant otters, Sumerians, giant anteater, spiders.
Giant river otters. Dominic.
I don't see any over here.
Here's a real crocodile. Porque el cuerpo pasa por aquí y pasa por una rosita de aquí.
Hang on, I'm getting the video of the anaconda. It's way back over there.
Way up there, way up there, way up there.
Look underwater.
Yeah.
Look underwater. Look how huge that thing is.
I already know.
The ones that are tall is those are trees. Are they kids? I could choose here now.
Oh, it's an emu. Yeah, it's an emu. Australia. Yep, emu. Say emu.
Hey, you guys were wrong.
Emu. Let's get up close to that.
It can go.
And there they are.
100 years. They can live longer than
100 years. Cool.
There's so
Our stone carvers and artists have placed its image throughout our city.
Jaguar, sleeping?
Yeah, he's sleeping, but he's breathing. Move his tail. Pretty. That's a car.
He's tired? Oh, he's moving. He's stretching. Whoa. Look at this, buddy. Look at this. It's moving.
Oh, that's
Snake.
Oh, the thing is huge. Snake?
Yeah.
Him on now. He's hissing at you. Dominic.
Where?
Oh, Dominic ran away.
You got pizza? Not good? Daddy, have a bite? Okay, let's go. Thing. This thing's huge.
Dominic, you want the anteater? Dominic, come here.
Dominic, look.
Where the hell are you? Oh my god.
Damn, that thing's big.
What the fuck is that?
Anteater.
Literally eats ants?
Yeah.
How does ants fill that thing up?
I don't know. Whoa.
Swim.
Está como desesperando, como inquieto.
Just a heads up, a jaguar attitude grabs somebody can.
Mom, there's bats.
Whoa, look, I'm all up here, buddy, in there.
They fly above your head
Look
here.
at that. Oh my god. Here, they fly above your head.
Yeah, they're all hanging, look.
No, in this tube.
in the tubes.
Take another bite. Take a small bite. Hey, cold. Take a bite.
Look, Gary Moore, right here.
Okay, go see Big Snake. Right here, buddy.
Right there.
It's on the rock.
Oh. Dominic.
Look, it's up here.
Oh. Dominic, look up. Look up. Like the prettiest. Oh, we're going into the...
Cool. What's that way?